Assalamu alaikum. I am Lipika Mandal, assistant teacher, English, Kurigram Alia Kamil Model Madrasa. Dear students, how are you? I think you are all fine. Alhamdulillah. In Corona situation, we keep faith in Allah and we keep quiet and encourage all of you to keep better in such situation. After a long time, after March and now it is October, a long gap, huge gap, I have come to touch you. I actually miss you in Corona situation, but I think you by this time everybody keep faith in Allah and never be frustrated. In this situation, Corona situation, we have come here online class. Please, dear students, never think about auto pass. I think it is very harmful to think in such a way that whatever is done. Please, you gain knowledge from your syllabus, complete your syllabus, because of after this year you certainly go next class and new book, new suggestion, new syllabus. So never, I reassure you, you never break this your study. Okay? Okay, dear student, online class, I think so far I remember, I already discussed you in our normal class about virtual class. Because of our teaching learning method is gradually changed. And changed situation, this online class, that means virtual class, is available everywhere. And generally, gradually we see everything except our teaching learning situation, everything become normal except teaching learning method situation, because of our government always anxious about you, because you are the future of our nation. So, in such situation, you should learn. You should learn. Whenever you get what type of subject, you gain knowledge from this. Okay? Before, we always discourage you about phone. Yes. But now, we encourage sometimes to use smartphone because of our changed situation. But never deceive yourself. Never, never. Never deceive your guardian. You take this phone, smartphone, you use this only to gain knowledge, not gossip. Okay? So far I remember, most of you use Facebook, and most of you are connected each other, and you chatting in Messenger. So, you use now this method to gain knowledge, to gain textual knowledge also. So, what can you do? You make group among your friends, and you between your group you discuss any topic, whether it is English or mathematics or Bengali, and anything else. And you, before discussion, you always decide what topic you learned today. Then among yourself you find out your problems and lackings. Then you open it among your friends, among your classmates. It is very easy and it is actually more attractive than our normal class, is it not? I think so. Okay, dear students, suppose as for example we try to discuss about our topic paragraph. Okay, our most top topic now, do you know? Yes, coronavirus. So suppose I asked you to write a paragraph about coronavirus. Okay, thank you very much. Now coronavirus. Okay, dear students, please open your exercise book, that means khata and pen. Okay, dear students, then I give you some question. Suppose number A, what is coronavirus? Okay. B, what are the symptoms? C, how it is spreaded. Okay. D, from where it has come. Okay. E, how we protect. Okay, dear students, suppose I give this question, what is coronavirus, what are the symptoms, how it is spreaded, from where it has come, and how we protect. Okay, dear students, now in your virtual group class, you try to make this paragraph. Okay, dear students, in our normal class I give you in this shape. I think you remember. Okay, fine. Then in your group, suppose you Rokon, you Saleh, you Anamila, you Rifa, you Rakib, you Laboni, you Nurnobi. Okay. And now in your virtual class, you think about first question, what is corona? Okay. Now please, each of you give the probable answer, what is corona? No, not from any book and certainly not from Google. Okay, dear students, suppose Nunubi says something And Rokon say another thing, Saleh, Onamila, Rifa, Rakib, Laboni, everybody give their answer. Okay? Okay, you know, I told you in our normal class, no repetition please. Okay, fine. Then we, last of all, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 answer. 7 answer. What is corona? Yes, 7 answer. And now, from these 7 answer, we take a unique answer, which is completely different from any book, from any journal. Okay, I always advise you, no, never to memorize anything from any book. You always try to make your brain, shake your brain, try to make your own answer, cultivate your brain, okay? And creativity is the more beneficial to be a actual human. I think you, last of all, you make yourself as a completely human being. Okay? In this way, you take second question and question number B, question number C, question number D, and last of all question number E. Okay, fine. Then we see that we get a actual unique paragraph from others, which I think this paragraph making is more attractive than others. Is it not, dear students? Yes, I think so. So in this way, you try to write paragraph. No memorize. Please remember, never try to memorize anything from your book. Never. And if you do this, then you make anything. You make any topic. You may any topic develop from yourself, among your friends, and it is very helpful. And it is very helpful if you make this paragraph, make any type of paragraph. Suppose I give you a topic, paragraph like this. You also think it as a homework. Okay? Yes, work, that is cause and effect of coronavirus. Okay, okay, this is your homework. Okay, fine. Now, in this way, if you complete your paragraph, then I think you never fear about to make paragraph, any type of paragraph. Okay, and when you can able to write this type of paragraph, then you also can able to make a dialogue in this way. And in our normal class, I say you several times to make paragraph, same topic, you may make dialogue, and also you may write letter about this cause and effect of coronavirus. Okay, I hope it is more easy to develop. Okay, I always want to make you creativity. Remember, whatever come to you, whatever, whenever and whatever in your future life, you take only positive side. Positive side. So, in this corner situation, we learn many things. I think you also learn many things and take only positive side. Suppose among your friends somebody has no smartphone. Please cooperate him or her. It is your duty. Okay, and we keep faith in Allah. Whatever does, He does for our good. Okay, we try to adjust this situation. Not only adjust, we try to overcome and we must win. Okay, okay, very good. Now, I inshallah next time I take your another class and I tell you, please contact with me. Whatever you feel, whatever you face, any type of problem, whether it is about your study, about anything, because we are friend, we are guide. In this corona situation, we sometimes we feel frustrated and we feel nervous, we feel hopeless. But please, I tell you again and again, no frustration, no, never. We keep faith and must we win this situation. Okay? In our normal class, last of all, I always used to make fun with you. Okay? Please, now in our class, we try to sing a confident, self-confident song. Okay? Okay. I think you can understand what I want to say. Okay, please come. Okay, start with me. Okay. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Thank you. ওরে আল্লাহ তোমাকে বললাম শিখে নিতে পজ দাও হ্যাঁ